बंद करो, बंद करो, मीडिया ट्रायल बंद करो, बंद करो, बंद करो, chanting बंद करो, बंद करो, बंद करो.
Thing is, I have a long-standing difference with the ABP on many issues like prior, like Kamala issue, Manu Smriti issue. Now, current JNU incident. In current JNU incident, I think the whole issue got dragged far, far, far beyond. It should not be done. Yeah, people had shouted some wrong slogans, but you can't say the whole student community should be blamed for that. I want one thing from you, from this establishment, from this government. Find out those people and punish them. Don't do such kind. Don't blame whole student community for all. Last 2 months, I'm continuously writing on my FB, on my Facebook page, that I am against Minister of State intervention. I am against lighting at that time. I wrote down on my page. And it's a long process. You can't say I just resigned in a sudden way. It's just in a vibe. You woke up and I just resigned. It's nothing like that. It was a long process of like 2 or 3 months. Now I think that thing got much far beyond. And I can't compromise right now. This is the thing. At Rohit Mavla that as well, at that time I protested with my wing that we should condemn a Minister of State intervention. This should not be done. We should condemn Manu Smriti. Because Manu Smriti is a notion of upward. It is a Brahmanwadi notion. And I want to burn this thing down. Umar Khalid organized them. But I think when it comes to slogans, we were there. Pakistan slogans were shouted by some people who veiled their faces. And I think they are outsider students who shouted these slogans. And about Umar and all these things, I think court has sufficient proof to prove whether he is guilty, whether he is not guilty. Okay, the media trial should not be done in this case. What genius had did so far right now. Okay. What I call on these people, so like, if you want to celebrate, it's okay, but don't defame anyone else. Like people are saying that they were going to saying some derogatory remarks about Durga Mata and something. I want to say one thing, we can like celebrate Maheshwar as well, we can celebrate Durga Mata as well. The thing is, celebrate anything you want, but don't make derogatory remarks and anything else. I support them if they celebrate Maheshwar, but I don't support them if they're going to use derogatory remarks against Durga Mata. Okay, this is my city. You are there in parliament to serve the people, to discuss the budget. What you are saying, you are shouting the JNU pamphlets in the parliament. It's not JNU autonomous space. Let the person have the freedom of speech in the constitutional limits. I will say this thing. If they go beyond that, then check it. It's okay. But what are you doing in constitution? You are discussing JNU there. This should not be done. You are there for policy making. You are there for to discuss budget for the welfare of this country, to discuss the welfare nature of our economy, our state. But the thing, government totally diverted the lines. I want to tell you one thing about the intention of this government. I think WTO said we should scrap out the subsidies. I think government is going in that line. You know how they are going? Because government are providing subsidy to JNU. And I think they want to shut down this JNU and want to comply to the WTO norms. Because if you shut down JNU, the education subsidy will automatically goes down. Was totally against, JNU has provided a platform. I was in AAP. I think that I am going to change the system. I want to change something in between in the AAP so that, I was there like, maybe they can change themselves. If you are standing outside of your house, you never know what's inside. When you enter the house, then you're going to know what exactly inside is. Okay, when I enter, when I have been in this house doing this thing for the last 3 or 7 months, then I realized that something is going wrong. Now I'm standing against this thing. I raised my slogan for continuous 2 to 3 months, but when no one listens to me, now I'm out of this thing. It's as simple as that. You can't say a certain process, it's a long process, and I have long-standing differences. I always listen. What I said, let the court decide in all the cases. Now what High Court said to the Delhi Police 2 days back, they said don't the implementation of sedition, do you know the applicability of sedition charge. The thing is, let the court decide. I have full faith in the constitution, I have full faith in the court system. I think the truth will come soon. I won't say the Gilan is like, you can say innocent or is guilty. Let the court decide. This is my middle line. Let the court decide. I don't want this mob who's holding flag in their hand, beating up people in the name of that flag. I don't want these people. And these people who are beating person in the name of flag are the biggest intimidation. Let the court decide. I don't want that Talibani culture in my country. I want constitutional culture in my country. I want progressive culture in my country.